Hello, we are Cutie Kids.
Smith family planned a picnic at the park. With baskets full of snacks and games to play, everyone felt excited. They laughed, played tag, and shared stories under the big shady tree. On Saturday, the family gathered in the kitchen to bake cookies. Flour flew and dough was shaped into fun animals. The sweet smell filled the air as they worked together, each one helping make a delicious treat. One evening, they decided to watch a movie. They built a cozy blanket fort and filled it with pillows. With popcorn in hand, they snuggled close, enjoying the film and each other's company. In spring, the family started a garden. They planted seeds, watered the soil, and watched the flowers grow. Together, they learned how fun it was to care for something as a team. Every Sunday, Dad read a story aloud. Each family member picked a character, and they acted out the scenes, adding silly voices. It became their favorite tradition. One rainy day, they decided to work on a giant puzzle. Piece by piece, they put it together. When they finished, they admired their teamwork and celebrated with cheers. The family had a special game night. Board games and card games filled the living room with laughter. They learned that playing together was more fun than winning. On a sunny day, they went for a hike. They explored nature, spotted animals, and discovered a hidden stream. The fresh air and adventure made them feel closer than ever. The family had an art day where everyone painted or drew pictures. They shared their creations proudly, smiling at how each piece was different yet special, just like them. Every night before bed, they had a ritual. Each family member shared something kind or funny about their day. They ended by saying, "I love you," knowing that time spent together made every day special.